Look at the fucking hack job that I just realized was in my fucking computer this whole time. No wonder why it was constantly overheating, dude. No fucking airflow. Look at these motherfuckers. So I got a built-in Wi-Fi card for back in the day. These motherfuckers, dude, had it. Like, why would you not tuck that? And there's the fucking window back there too, so you can put it behind. Like, and then this power. You guys got it connected to my graphics card. So if anything happens, it pulls on my graphics card. That's just stupid. That should be fucking separate. I know I'm new to the world, but I mean, it's just hacky. They fucking zip tied it to my new fan. I just bought that bitch when they did that too. I mean, granted, as long as it's zip tied, I don't think it would have hit the fan, but I wouldn't be surprised if it marked out a notch on the bottom of each fan blade. Makes sense why it'd be so fucking loud. Oh, goddamn plane taking off. I bought this in 2008 and set it up. It's a XFX graphics card. And I updated the power to be able to hold, or push the better graphics card, I should say. Now I want to restore it. I'm gonna try. Maybe upgrade the HDD and the DVD burner and a few other things. We'll see. See what happens. First I gotta take care of this shit show that fucking Best Buy did. I don't know why, but they did.